In Google Sheets, you can easily link out Google Forms. And to do that, you can see that I'm already here in a Google Sheet document. And if I want to link a form right here, then I can go into Insert right here, and then I can click on Form. So once I do that, what happens is that the form page opens up on a new tab. So here you can see that this is the table data right here. I can add in a question. Let's say, for example, do you like it or not, just like this? And you can add in option. So you can say yes, you can add in maybe, and maybe I'm going to add in no right here, just like this. So once I do that, you can see that this is what I have. So you got the data right here, and then you can see that now there is a new tab over here which says form response, and you can go around into the data right here. And then if the other person were able to fill this out, so I'm just going to go around right here, copy out the form link, and then if other people were to, let's say, submit any information here, then it'll be updated in the form response right here. So here it says yes right here. I'm going to submit another response, maybe right here, and you can see that there's maybe right here, and you can submit another response of maybe right here. And similarly, the responses get collected out in this particular sheet as you linked it out with the form, as you can see. And that is how you can insert form and link Google Forms with Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.